boarding time. My daughter's struggling with her luggage. Kelsey, turn around, say hi for the camera. Kelsey. Fast, there you go. Go.
I got it. Thank you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to update you on this. When you see the sign on the door and it says rooms not ready till 1:30, try to abide by that and not go in there. There was tons of people ignoring that and just walking in only to be returned by the house steward or somebody from housekeeping to let them know that the room wasn't ready. And then just this one particular lady, she sat there and came back out with none of her luggage. And she was like, oh, I left all the luggage in the room, telling that to the person that she was with. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, the only thing you're doing is putting things in the way for them to actually clean your room. Now they got to work around your luggage or possibly leave it outside, and you don't want to leave your things there. Just abide by it, wait. Yeah, I mean, you're going to be on this cruise anywhere from 3 days to 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, however long your cruise is. But give them the time to finish your room. Let them finish what they have to finish. And then once they're done, the room is all yours and you can do whatever it is you want in there, except break the rules. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye. So we sit and we wait.
It's not that I never put my card in. You can. You can open it.
Here we are. Here's the bathroom. Nice toilet. It smells like poop in here.
Bro, they didn't even clean our mirror.
Here's the shower.
Everybody's rushing.
Closet space. Safe. More closet space. TV. This is the bed.
What?
Nice couch.
All right.
Mirror. This is the shelf. We have one water. We're supposed to have two. We have two glasses.
One is free.
We have 2 shelves, but you can use this little one as a shelf for all of your cologne. Little refrigerator.
Wow, this is a nice balcony.
3 drawers. You know what's missing? We didn't get to choose fun on our bed. The plastic.
This couch is so dirty.
And here is, so this is an extended balcony room. So we have the extended balcony. And right now, not much of a view, but there will be. And here is Port Miami. And that is our room tour. Hey guys, stay tuned as I have a hotel review for Port Miami and also some more fun things on the Carnival celebration. Thank you for watching. Please do comment. I really do appreciate when you guys comment. I will write back. Subscribe and stay up to date. Hit the notification bell. Talk to you soon.